Welcome everybody to Literary Lushes with your hosts Megan
and Samantha
and
Angela Roquet.
we have Angela with us as a guest star because we are doing her book, For the Birds, the third book in the Lana Harvey series. So today's drink is Hell-hounds.
Yes, it is inspired by Lana's drink of choice in this book, which is whiskey, and just how she can see the light at the end of that tunnel, that sweet honey nectar of life, but she only has 500 more years to go.
Maybe if Meng added honey to her tea, people would like it a little bit better.
That's a good idea.
I love that everybody's just like, oh, her tea is so gross. Anyways.
And Megan and I purchased Reaper Ink pajamas.
And so it inspired us to build a cool pillow fort.
Yeah, with a sagging roof.
Yes. So we'll make sure to have videos and pictures of that up so you guys can actually see the whole outside and all that awesome stuff. And Angela is sporting an awesome Literary Lushes shirt.
That's awesome.
It looks great. I love the V-neck.
The V-necks are nice.
Yeah, it's nice. Very comfortable.
All right. So Angela got a little bit of a head start on the drink. She pre-mixed. So hopefully the drink isn't a total disaster. Here we go. In your cup of choice,
we have either Literary Lushes or the Purgatory Lounge Cups.
Yeah. You are going to do 1 ounce of honey whiskey. So we are using, it's called Celtic honey, and it says it's honey and whiskey. So, you know, let's roll with it.
I was going to hold up.
Oh, there we go.
No, this is cool.
I was trying to protect your carpet and do it over the cookie sheet.
That's a good idea. My 3-day-old carpet.
Yeah. Stop moving. Okay.
I'm trying to. I'm laughing.
Okay, quick, pour. Angela, she missed the glass a little bit.
Well, because you know sometimes when you pour stuff, it like goes down, like it goes all over.
I'm just gonna even that out a little bit. All right, here we go. So 1 ounce of whiskey.
Oh, that's a good idea, pouring it over the cookie sheet. That was smart.
See? I know us. I know we spill. Okay. 1 ounce of triple sec. Sorry.
Are we pouring over the cookie sheet?
You put your hand so close.
I forgot.
At least triple sec is clear.
The dogs will look it up. It's fine. Pretty sure it's not great for them, but you know, it's all right. Not that much.
Hell-hounds in your house.
All right.
1.5 ounces of lemon juice.
That's a lot of lemon juice.
It is a lot.
I hope we have enough. If not, it's a good thing I picked up more.
I squeezed a fresh lemon, and it took about the entire lemon to make that ounce.
Wow. We'll start with 1 each. Fresh lemon juice probably are delicious.
So we're gonna have to pause and go get some more lemon juice.
You're not.
So take 2. 1.5 ounces of lemon juice.
With the new one.
Or if you're cool like Angela, you use the fresh stuff.
I'm going to do a shout out to my husband, Ray, for knowing when I said, no, we have lemon juice, to buy more lemon juice.
Mine ran out this morning to get the cherries.
Yeah, I've never seen just the maraschino cherry juice before.
I get out of the jar with the cherries, so I figured.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
I also threw, I think, 3 or 4 cherries into the bottom of there, so.
1 teaspoon of honey. Oh no.
So,
oh no.
I'm not
there we go.
Let's not get the honey on the carpet. That would be a pain to get.
That's why I said I'm going to take it.
I'm not usually a honey eater. Is that how you would drink her?
Yeah, honey user.
Honey enthusiast.
Yeah. So I'm curious to see my facial expression.
I'll put less in yours.
Facial expression.
I'll put less.
I found it a little tough to mix in, especially the real honey rather than just like the flavored corn syrup or whatever they do these days. it does take a while to mix in when it's a cold beverage.
That's kind of what I was thinking, but you know, the internet said this is what you're supposed to do. So
This takes a little bit of elbow grease mix.
elbow grease. All right, cool.
Yeah, I do like the Tennessee honey whiskey from Jack Daniels. Like that's good. You know, it's honey flavored, but it's not. I guess I'm all about that artificial flavoring.
Then we're doing 2 teaspoons of maraschino cherry.
You can't
juice.
see it. It went everywhere on the cookie sheet.
Again, that's why I'm doing
And it's
it.
bright red.
That's why I was like, let's bring that cookie sheet. Do you want to, hold on.
Whew, that is,
Potent.
there's the word. I was say strong. But potent sounds like one more.
I think that might be more than 2, but that's sure. Do you want some cherries in yours?
No, thank you. I'm good. Last thing I need to do is choking on things while we're reviewing the book.
Okay. And let's give that a quick stir. All my honey is congealed at the bottom, but you know.
That'll be the fun last sip.
I don't think I got all mine mixed in, but it took me a little bit trying to get it to dissolve in there.
We like to say that we're doing science when we make drinks.
You're alchemist.
Okay. This is either going to be delightful or taste like pop syrup. I'm pretty sure there's no other.
I think it's all right. Of course, mine's going to be just a tiny different with the salted caramel and ginger ale, but I like the taste of it.
I mean, salted caramel was getting that was a thing, but it sounds delightful.
I'm not feeling very
Confident.
there's the word, thank you. Confident in this drink.
All right, you're going to top with lemon lime soda.
Looks like ours is flat, so that's great.
Lemon lime flavored water.
Oh, it's so flat.
Yep. It's fine. Here we go. For some reason, yours is a
Is this like
different color.
is this like truth or dare?
Cheers. Cheers, Angela.
Mine's darker. I think I put too much cherry juice, and maybe the cherry's in the bottom. It's making mine a little darker.
Here's to the Hell-hounds. Oh, actually?
It's really not bad.
Yeah.
A little tart, but not bad at all.
Yeah.
If I don't smell it while I'm drinking it, I can drink it.
We drink a lot of hot toddies in our house, and I usually will make them with like an apple cider mix, but I put a lot of whiskey and honey and lemon juice in them. So it tastes almost like an iced hot toddy to me.
Ooh, I like hot toddies.
I mix them up good here. Do you use tea or do you use apple cider?
I've had them both ways. I've never made them. I've just had ones that other people have made for me, but they're delicious.
Okay, that wasn't bad. Baby Megan liked it. Like I said, you can't be like sniffing it as I'm drinking it.
It's like an alcoholic lemonade.
Because it smells like, well, now it smells a little better.
The honey is starting to
I'm
dissolve.
special. Everybody thinks I'm special.
Well, I think Angela approves. I like it.
I like it too.
I'm still concerned about why mine's a different color. Maybe because, oh, you had more honey, maybe.
Yeah,
Maybe?
yeah. Also, our measurements are not.
I have this little cocktail glass, and it's got the ounce measurements up the side.
Well, that's smart.
Yeah, that's how I mixed up mine earlier. And then I added the ice after everything was all in there.
That would probably be a smart idea. Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
The more you know.
Yeah.
Is it acquired taste, maybe?
I like it because I thought it was going to be a little bit sweet, but it's not as sweet as I thought it was going to be.
I think it's all
Probably because the honey's on the bottom, but yeah.
No, I'm gonna drink it.
She's going to drink it, folks. All right, guys. Well, thanks for joining us. And thank you, Angela, for vibing with us.
Thank you for having me again.
And as we like to say, stay lively with your libations. We can actually clink. Yay! The theme song automatically plays in my head.
It does. I hear the clinking and I'm like, dun dun. Yeah. Report to your cloud account.
My cloud account.
Yeah.
What cloud account?
For the Zoom.
Oh.
I sound like an old person. For the Zoom thing. The Zoom.
That's okay. I call Facebook the Facebook all the time.
It's a rolling.
Your pants are falling down.
They are.
I have some of
The third book in the Lana Harvey. Lana Harvest.
Lana Harvey.
I was so close. Damn it. I think we're getting too old to fill up words. Sitting on the floor.
So loaded.
Everyone's like getting up is what the problem is. Done. That's not gonna have a lot of bloopers, but that's okay. Maybe I'll take some bloopers from our podcast. Just throw it in there.